Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a time for your PlayStation 5 to turn off after you're inactive from the console. So let's go to Settings, going down to System. Then under here, let's go down to Power Saving and set time until PS5 enters rest mode. And then we got two different options. We have during Media Playback. So after about 4 hours of inactivity, if I'm not touching anything, it's going to automatically go to rest mode. And then we got for playing games. So I have mine set to 1 hour. You could set yours to like 20 minutes or do not put in rest mode. Now I'd caution that. So if you accidentally like walk away and your PlayStation's not on like standby for a week or something like that. So just have this on, maybe 5 hours set it to or something like that, so it doesn't indefinitely run. But rest mode is a low power state that will download games and updates in the background, so it's not so bad having it on. But look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.